Hello and welcome for more inspiring content. Yes, thank God for the plenty of wild plums this season again. In this video I used these wild plums to make marmalade. As you will see, I was able to get the help of my husband to pick these yellow wild plums that grow in our garden, and then I use a simple method to press them and remove the seed. This method is faster instead of taking the seed out one by one, as you can see. Those are the seeds, and these are just thrown in the garden. And the method is as simple as that. I just take the plums, press them with an apple cutter, and then remove the seeds by hand one by one. With this method, I'm able to go faster and process a lot of plums within a short time. Then I was able to heat the mixture until it boiled, and then I blended, and then I added sugar, and the ratio of sugar to plums is 2 kilograms sugar to 1 kilogram plums. And then after adding sugar and heating, I was able to put them in sterilized preservation bottles. And then for my preparation, I added chia seeds because I wanted it to be thicker than it was, and chia seeds was very good in making it thicker. Thank you for watching. I hope you are inspired. Please be free to like, comment, subscribe, and check out for more content next time. See you.